Annyeonghaseyo. Kim Young-sunim. So we are
Going to
Samgyeopsal.
Ano yung intro?
Yes. Kaja. Let's go.
Kaja. Alright na. Ano? So
Kaja,
after
let's
nila
go.
ni Atog after nila ni Ato sa
So, di plastic day. So, we are now in Samgyeopsal in Marigondon Food Camp. Yeah, we are here now. It's already night.
and yung sinim comes sa media for everything
Thank you for all the opportunity to taste
I'm very
some
thankful
first
because
time food.
I'm so very thankful to have you, Kim Yung Sunim. Wow, ka-pretty.
Yeah.
So yes, we're going to So we're going to some groups. Yes. Kamsamida Kim Yung Sunim.
Sana, kamsahamnida.
Sige, magkuha na to day, magpatatag na ta. Ang number sa table day. Isa. Welcome back Kim Yung Sunim. Annyeonghaseyo, Kim Yung Sunim. So, we're here at Samgyeopsal. So, instead of kanang maglaag mi, so among gipili kay mukhaon na lang og samgyup because para lang pod kay kanang gipanggutom pod kaya sila and then gikan pod sila sa eskwelahan. Yeah, so they need some food to eat na lang. Yeah, so decide to eat samgyeopsal. Yes. Lami kayong kuan guys. I love
The kimchi is so delicious.
kimchi is very delicious, by the way.
Naiiyak na ako sa sarap. The kimchi is so delicious.
This is my favorite. Annyeonghaseyo, Kim Yung Sunim. Kamsahamnida for everything. Kamu na set B. Di ba kita
Kamsahamnida Kim Young-sunim.
Kim Yung Sunim, kamsahamnida.
The kimchi is so delicious.
Uy, dili na mo ko.
Look, the kimchi. Maria, samo kamsahamnida.
Day na, ay anak si Kim Yung Sunim. Lalaki daw. For 15 years old. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yeah. The lucky mo din na
The kimchi is insane. This is so...
Tingnan mo Pag-send na niya, oh. Hindi siya makuhan yun to. Uy, di ko kaya ba mo gamit ang chopstick? Ganyan ko na yung this for you. Isa na, di makita siya ako. Kita mag-apon. Aba na ka magamit sa application. Ano niya eh? Momentos lang preference. Yung kanin for you. Kim Young-sun and you are the best. Basta na naslain aning ako anday. Now, go ahead. Muslim, kamsahamnida. Kamsahamnida Kim Young-sun. I love you, Kim Young-sun.
안녕하세요, Kim Young-sun. So now we are done eating and we will go home.
Yes.
And did you know that some of did I?
No.
Did you know that Sarah, Heart, and Apple bring some food
For their family.
for their family? And the
Because,
rule in ang rule dito kay kanang no leftovers and no bring home.
Oh, di
But
mga
they bring food for their
Kisa.
family.
No, number
Yes,
one,
they
Kisa is number
look at their bag. Sige day. Bag check. Ay, share lang.